Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to hide your Instagram stories from specific users without blocking them or making your account private. So let's open up your Instagram app, tap on the profile image at the bottom right of the screen, and then tap on the three lines at the top right, tap on settings, then tap on privacy, then tap on story. Tap on hide story from, search for the user in the list, then select the user by ticking it and then press a done at the top right of the screen. You'll notice the 0 turn to 1, so that means you have successfully hidden your Instagram story from that one user. You can also hide stories from users who you are not following. To do that, you need to go to your profile page, tap on followers, then go through your list and the ones that give you the option to follow, tap on their account. Now tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen and then select the option to hide the story. And there you go guys, that is how to hide your Instagram stories from specific users without blocking them or making your account private. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.